Upon election victory of LDS in the Seychelles in 2020, under the leadership of President Wavel Ramkalawan, the government embarked on a remarkable journey that revived its economy from debt and advanced social progress. Salaries were raised twice, and the welfare basket for social assistance increased up to 32%. New hospitals, clinics, schools were built, port terminals, roads, and even more houses. And even brought their airline, Air Seychelles, from a state of total bankruptcy to a profit-making machine. Despite the devastating impact of the global pandemic, which left arrivals at historic lows in 2020, Seychelles acted decisively. With early border reopening in 2021, recovery began. By 2022, tourism arrivals had surged to nearly 90% of pre-pandemic levels, and by 2023 to 2024, Seychelles not only reached but, in some periods, surpassed the benchmark, something considered almost impossible regarding the battle against COVID. This rebound has fueled fiscal recovery and strengthened national confidence. International institutions, including the IMF, have commended Seychelles for prudent debt management, sound fiscal policies, and a commitment to building lasting economic resilience. But the LDS government did not stop there. Beyond tourism, the government has invested in diversifying their economy, developing digital services, expanding financial sectors, and pioneering environmental initiatives. These efforts are building a more secure and sustainable Seychelles for generations to come. Equally important is the strengthening of democracy. The peaceful transition of power in 2020 marked a new chapter in their history. Since then, the government has championed transparency, inclusivity, and accountability, values recognized globally by the African Union, the Commonwealth, Amnesty International, the UNDP, and Transparency International. 5 years on, Seychelles has emerged stronger, fairer, and more admired across the world. Under LDS leadership, they restored growth, safeguarded the social fabric, and strengthened Seychelles as a beacon of democracy and resilience. On September 27, 2025, LDS will strive to continue this amazing journey of success, to continue building a Seychelles that stands proud, united, prosperous, and hopeful for the future.